One chip. We're going to put this paint on that does not match. It's way too bright white. But, oh, you found it? I think you did find it. Even though that contrast is way off, the end result is pretty clean.
Yeah.
You really had to look for it.
Very transparent.
So we've got some, let me see if I can find that one. Where is it? Here? Sometimes it's hard. Oh, here we go. There's another one. So imagine, I knew I'd find it eventually. Yeah. So imagine you got a whole hood full of chips. Not just a couple. They bother you. A couple chips is bad, but think of those cars that are road rash, that are just peppered. Those are the fun ones to do.
Yeah, you follow like a gravel truck and it's dropping pebbles or
exactly.
rocks.
Go into a dealership or a used car lot or anywhere that has used cars that they want cleaned up. When you see that car that's just peppered, you're like, this is going to be the fun one. This is my demo car. You do half the hood, and they walk out and like, what happened to that side? Because they don't notice the chips on this side.
Yeah.
So that's the goal. It's, it's not a permanent, it is a permanent repair. It's not a perfect repair, but it's a lot better than what you're going to do with touch-up paint.
How about
Yeah.
scratches?
No blob.
Scratches are unique animals. I'll say they work great on some scratches and they won't do a thing for other scratches.
Yeah.
So
Very wide scratch.
for example, a deep scratch is good, but here's an example. When you get a key scratch, typically the key goes in light and it's a clear coat scratch, then it goes in deeper, then it comes back out light again. So the part in the middle where the paint's missing, it will work pretty well on typically. You can usually sand or buff the exterior portion, but the center portion of that scratch, you got to put paint in.
Yeah.
A lot of colors it'll look great on, and other colors it won't make a bit of difference on. Yeah. So say a silver car with a key scratch, don't bother because it's going to look the same when you're done. It's just the nature of color. And that silver key scratch, you could have the perfect color and put 100% flush fill in with that paint, it's still going to look like you didn't do anything to it.
Gotcha.
That's a body shop.